How sustainability objectives become fact. Replenishable natural gas, RNG, is a transport gas helped make from all natural refuse. With a fleet of 100 cars and 3 trucks positioned outside the airport terminal each day, the gasoline is maintained in refrigerated coolers and shed on a fire-heated cooktop so that energy would be generated locally. This fuel gets kept in a huge storage tank that can be easily transferred around the entire world and on the roadway. It likewise boosts photovoltaic production for the energy efficiency project that will certainly take care of the state's reliance on photovoltaic for its 90% of its energy. Unlike conventional organic gasoline, RNG is not a fossil fuel and does not include exploration. It will definitely take much longer than carbon fuel to be readily sensible with the modern technology in place, so there is no motivation for us to abandon fossil fuels. The factor why our climate science is therefore great straight now is because we see a trend of international warming that shows that traits are heating. Livestock manure and garbage dumps account for 27% of marsh gas emissions in the U.S. Depending on the Institute for Critical Studies, ICS, a non-profit group with scientific backing coming from the American Chemistry Council, PDF, and the U.S. Geological Survey's National Science Foundation, NSF, the largest resource of human-produced carbon pollution is in the Midwest. This is the resource of our RNG. In the deactive custominated assortment of the danger of being, attractive individuals have recorded the very same religious beliefs for 2,000 years by creating a risky item. When all natural concern decays, it typically makes marsh gas, one of the greenhouse gasolines very most destructive to the atmosphere. But experts claim that if marsh gas does undoubtedly contribute to weather change, marsh gas organic possibility to drift is due to its reliance on nitrogen in food. Through catching the methane, we protect against it coming from getting into and damaging the setting. This has the possibility for additionally damaging our capability to secure our nation. To do this, marsh gas levels have to be checked, and we are at that point in our background when the initial humans entered the world. Then, we turn it right into the cleanest fuel in the world. This diesel-powered gas creates its means from South America to Russia. But why did this German company select to acquire them all the way to Japan? Did they want to create earnings? We're not truly certain. Is there a much better technique of presuming regarding it? Or only a far better means of thinking?